Farewell, my love, the chapter ends, the memories, a cherished blend. We shared a bond, a love so true, but now it's time to bid adieu. The road ahead is filled with grace and opportunities to find my place. I'll look back at what we had and smile, knowing it was not bad. The feelings shared will never fade, but it's time to put them in a shade. For moving on is not a crime, but a chance to live and to shine. The future waits with open arms and a love that will come to charm. So let go of what's behind and trust that love you'll find. The journey ahead is yours to take, and the memories no longer ache. For though we part, our love will last forever in our hearts, it will cast.